Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about mask-proof makeup. And I know some region and country they do allow your activity without face mask in public. However, in Singapore, you still have to wear a face mask and it's hopelessly perpetual. Then I was thinking maybe I can share a tip that I recently discovered of how to wear your makeup super long. This is my face mask that I worn my makeup all day. I like to touch my face a lot, so whenever I wear a face mask, I always touch my face like this, or like this, or like this. Mostly touching my nose very often. And so this is the result of my face mask. And I think as a result, it's quite decent because I understand many YouTubers or beauty gurus, they just put on a makeup product, slap it on their face, and right after application, they just literally rub their face mask like this and show you how much they transfer. But in fact, we always put this face mask on whole day, and I cannot really relate. But I'm pretty sure you can relate with this result because this result is quite remarkable, I would say. And I did not use a lot of product. I did not use a lot of steps. I don't have any particular or special skill to really enhance or improve my makeup wear and longevity. And I'm gonna zoom in. See, I didn't really shave, so don't look at my mouth area, but here and here. And also usually I wear glasses, so there's a glasses mark here. But my skin looks still quite flawless and it still looks very fresh. So how to keep my makeup stays put throughout the day without transferring much, just like this. And I'm going to share with you the secret and the technique. So let me remove just one side and I'm going to show you how and what I did to really keep my makeup stays put so long like this. Okay, I have removed and my bare skin is showing through right now. And I do have some flaws. I have redness around my nose, blemish mark here, and I do have blemishes and some redness and spots. So my skin complexion is not perfect. Yeah, I have flaws too. And what I did this morning was I do just my regular skincare routines and steps. This is a makeup spatula to scoop out some makeup product in a very hygienic way. And I have been using this tool to apply my foundation. And also a makeup brush, so I can prove that this makeup brush has been used already. You can see foundation on this side. So yeah, I've been using this foundation brush and the spatula to apply this foundation formula on my face. You know, sometimes you just don't really want to apply it too much, or you want to layer it simply, or you want to just go really minimal. Then this spatula can be a tool for you to create that desired look. It's really easy to layer, it's really easy to build, it's really easy to minimize. First of all, let's talk about foundations. You cannot use a moisturizing or very dewy and glowy finish foundation such as this Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Foundation or Shu Uemura Light Bulb Foundation. These foundations are highly moisturizing and they are more of a glowy and dewy finish foundation, and obviously we all know those foundations are more moisturizing and has more emollient. They're not gonna stay put throughout the day. So the foundation I chosen was this Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation or this NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. These foundations are extremely matte and dry and long wear. However, I don't really want to put too much foundation or too dry foundation, so I have mixed this Innisfree tinted moisturizer, and this tinted moisturizer is such a lovely product that creates illusion of beautifully hydrated skin. So even if I put just a tiny bit, it already creates this sort of really usefully hydrating looking skin. And this is not something about a shimmering or glittering product. It actually just really, the formula itself is really glistening. I cannot see any shimmers and I'm pretty sure it has no shimmer. It's just glimpse of hydration. Anyway, I'm going to mix this tinted moisturizer and just a tiny bit of this Soft Matte Complete Foundation. The ratio can be 70-30 or 50-50 if you like. And then I'm gonna mix these two formulas together with this spatula like this, and then you scoop it up by using a spatula. And then I'm just gonna apply like this, like you're icing on a cake. Just like this. And then this Dior number 11 foundation brush, I'm just gonna really fade those harsh edges. And also in the center, I'm gonna go with a very short strokes because I'm gonna blend this product and also smoothing it. So by using this technique, you can layer your makeup product ever so easily. So one layer is already on, I can apply one more layer, just icing once again if necessary. So you can simply fade the edges and you can really already start to see this beautiful radiance, like a lit from within without any shimmer. Very important. I'm not really a huge fan of shimmering skin makeup base. I'm just not a huge fan of it. I know it creates a beautiful finish, but it doesn't do anything for me. And then you can move on to your regular face powder. I'm going to use a Dior Skin Nude Air powder as usual. And I'm going to use brush from Meg 116. This is natural hair brush. I'm going to take a powder, and I don't really like this very high shine skin. I know it's beautiful, but it's just really not for me. So just lightly mattify on the center of my face, starting from the T-zone, just lightly dust off. And I'm not going to totally mattify my skin because I kind of like this glow from my cheeks. So I'm going to mattify here on the side and also this rest of the area. So my cheek here can be gleaming like there's a highlighting powder on, but there is no highlighting powder. There's no shimmer product. And I can really feel my skin is just slightly sticky, like there's a little bit of hydration and emollient going on still, not perfectly mattified. But this is the skin makeup I always do when I go to work or when I go outside. It looks extremely natural and also does not transfer much to your face mask throughout the day. I've shown you, you've seen it, and this is the secret of my skin makeup technique. And you know, sometimes if you really want to enhance your makeup wear, then it's a time when you can apply a makeup primer before applying foundation and apply more powder after the foundation. Just give it a try. And if you don't have any spatula like this, you can of course use a chopstick or maybe anything similar in, you know, like this. You can also find this kind of spatula at a very cheap price from online or from an art shop. So give it a try, and if you liked it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up or a comment, and if you subscribe, then it'll be a lot more helpful. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you soon again. Bye.